whole of half competition. Are you surprised in any way?
Yeah.
Even if they had drawn goalless here,
it would have at least
gone into extra time.
Which would have been then Aqua United. You know, well, I
had to go and look for a second wife in Uganda.
Aqua United and how their season has been. It's still Sports City Extra with Wilfred Monga, Silent G, Namdi, the boss, Prophet, Obaya. Don't say anything. It's okay. Your mic is
It wasn't long enough.
Your mic is off. It's okay. Your mic is off. Biola will be one later, Babalola, and of course, Manchester Pidgin will be back in a bit. Last season, United won the Europa League, they won the Carabao Cup, and that was a double for them.
Yep.
Now, this season, United haven't won any trophy. There's nothing for them in the league. They lost out in the Carabao Cup. This, in the FA Cup, happens to be their only opportunity of a silverware. Earlier on, when Manchester Pidgin was speaking, he sounded scared. I'm wondering if you've actually rediscovered your confidence now.
I believe say we go win, sha.
Okay.
But I know say if we beat Tottenham, we go beat us.
Okay, so for you, it's the winner of this particular game against Tottenham and United that win the FA Cup.
Yes.
Now that's a brave one, isn't it?
And as Southampton go do that final.
Let me start with our guest. Let me ask just the one question I'm dying to ask. Do you think Jose Mourinho has been successful at Manchester United? Let me start from there.
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Then let me start tearing into him now. Do you think Man U has improved from last season?
Yes, they don't.
What is the improvement exactly? Because there are 2 cups of last season, and the aim of football is to win trophies, and there is nothing from this season. So what's the improvement?
You know, say last season, that if say we don't win Europa League, that season a failure. A big disaster. It was just that final that made that season a good season. Because if say we lose that match, we for still the Europa League. Second position. Second. I'm like ahead of the great Salah.
The way you talk,
the great Salah, where everybody talks say Salah, Liverpool.
Not something anybody should say.
Considering that Man City ran away with the league. The truth is, I get the point he's making. There's this one noise about Pochettino is the next big thing. Klopp has changed. Liverpool is the best football side. Tottenham is so complete, but they are all below Man United. But people will tell you that Jose has spent more money, is at a bigger club with a greater tradition of winning, so he shouldn't be proud of second.
I mean, I think this is. I don't think any United fan should be happy with this. I've had a lot of arguments about whether Man United have made progress from last season to this season. I don't know if that is what we should be looking at, because the fact of the matter is City and Man United more or less started on the same level when Pep and Mourinho got into it.
We're reviewing United's season, and so remember you can join the call. What's the name? Yeah, what's the name? Alright, AJK, so you want to contribute to this, and straight away, how would you rate United's season? Wouldn't you blame United for, or Jose rather, for not being at that same competitive level as their Manchester rival City?
No.
Why?
Because you know, say one thing we just Mourinho talk now, say and this football heritage. Now where the club don't do for the past 3-4 years. Now if you look City, they have when they buy Sanchez, that he just sideline Marshall. So and Marshall be the kind of player where if you know they play, that in face could just be strong. Because you know say that on a normal day, in face is strong. So if reporters just see
Now
Marshall
because of the
bench,
girlfriend where you carry.